Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you today our project, the Gator Game Grabber. So our project is a video game recommendation system that will help people pick their next video game to play.
You see, the reason why this is such a big problem is because so many gamers catch themselves continuously playing their favorite game, and they don't broaden their their perspective on the games that they could also like just as much. So what this program does is give a list of the top 15 games that are most similar to the player's favorite game, so then the player will know what that player will like.
All right, let's see if we can generate some recommendations using these graph algorithms. All right, welcome to the Gator Game Grabber. Tell us your favorite game. So my favorite game is probably Mass Effect 2, one of my favorite games of all time. So let's see. Let's get some recommendations with Dijkstra's. All right. Hey Gator, here's some recommendations.
You see, what this outputs is the top 15 in order of most similar to Mass Effect 2. And the similarity index, the lower it is, the more similar they are. And we calculated that through Jacquard's algorithm, which basically gave each edge weight 1 minus the intersection of the genres and themes between game one and game two divided by the union of the intersections or a union of the genres and themes of game one and game two. And this gave either a small number, which means they're very similar between 0 and 1, or 1, which means they have nothing in common. Now let's try the BFS.
All right, let's try Fallout. Fallout's also a really good game. Some BFS. All right, and we got some other great recommendations right here.
Definitely good recommendations, yet not as specific as G-Stra's, which
Yeah,
we will explain why in a second. Brian, let's go to the code to see what we did in our Jigstra's and BFS algorithms to find the most similar games to Fallout.
sure. So the BFS actually doesn't have a similarity index, but it will look through using a breadth first search all of the games around that have a similar calculated weight, less than 0.42. 42 is the answer to life, the universe, and everything.
Yes, if it's less than 0.42, that means that the two games are going to be pretty similar. But the Dijkstra algorithm is more specific because every edge has a specific weight between 0 and 1, and we only output the top 15 closest, shortest distances from the source game. Brian, care to explain?
Yeah, so it's just a Dijkstra's algorithm, and we'll be going from the source vertex, which in this case is the source game, and we will find the shortest path to every other node in the graph, and then we will return that as a distance, and then we will use that to generate our top 15 recommendations.
Yes. Now scroll down a little bit too, Brian. I want to see the sorting algorithm that we used. So here we sort the Dijkstra's algorithm to the least shortest distance to the greatest shortest distance away from the source game. And we use this to output the top 15 games.
Yeah, so I hope you guys could find some great game recommendations. I actually found a couple of great games I'm going to be playing myself. This will be on GitHub, and thanks for watching all of this, and I hope you find some great games.
Yep.
See you
Have fun,
guys.
gamers.